Joey, this is Joey. We're getting tested for cats. And there is Mr. Fezziwigs. You noticed Mr. Fezziwigs being not happy, making a sound for not happy Fezziwigs, but he didn't do much. He just looked. Are you concerned, Joey? I don't think you're concerned. You're looking for food. That's what you're looking for. You just want food. Yes, you are. Do you care if there's a kitty over there? Fezziwigs. Fezziwigs. You want to come over here and say hi? He's wagging his tail. And you don't really... He's just looking and wagging his tail, and he's off. Fezziwigs, come over. Can you come over here and say hi? Fezziwigs? Fezziwigs don't want nothing to do with Joey, and I don't think Joey cares. He's looking, but he's off. You're a good boy, Joey. Joey, good boy. Oh, you want to say hi? Joey? Can we sit? Look what I got. Oh, good sit, Joey. You were so excited with a cookie. You don't care about the cat. Okay. I think Joey does fine with cats. You pretty boy.